Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be about how to use indexes in SQL. For those of you who don't know what an index is basically what it sounds like. It's very similar to the index in the back of a book. And the thing is, you could, without an index, you could go through the whole kind of text of the book until you reach some particular text you're looking for. But if you had an index, you could just look in the index, look for the index key for whatever you're looking for, and it will show up several page numbers. And so in SQL, the index works very similarly. So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, we want to create an index. Then we want to give our index a name. Now I'm going to be using the customers table, and for this one, I'm also going to be using basically inputting the client. I'm sorry, not the client ID, but the contact name of the person. So for example, the contact name will be what will be affected, what we're giving the index to. So for example, we'll use this following convention to name our index. We're going to type out customers underscore contact name underscore IDX. Then we're going to go to a new line. We're going to type on. We're going to type out the table we're working on, so for customers, and put in what value we want the index to be assigned to. So we're going to type contact name, hit run, and so we just created an index. Now we can call an index by clicking select, something like select. And we can just type in the all asterisk there, because we're just going to, oh, sorry, not quite yet. We're going to do count. Select all count from select all count from customers where, let's say, contact name we're going to just look over at our other database, not database, but rather our customer ID table, or customers table rather. And we're just going to type in Maria Anders. So we're going to just copy paste that. Bracket, close quotes, semicolon, and it gave us one. So again, it's just telling us the count of the records from customers where contact name is Maria Anders is 1. Now, again, we can just Control F, and we can confirm that there's only one entry in this database, or at least on this web page rather. And I may think, well, what are we doing that's different? We're just selecting the count from customers where contact name is Maria Anders. But the thing is, if you're working with data, or a huge quantity of data rather, this process gets a lot faster. So for example, you're selecting the count from customers where contact name is Maria Anders. Now, because there's only 91 customers, then it's really quite almost instant no matter which way you use it. But again, if you're talking about 10 million or 100 million or even billion or more inputs, then the queries could take quite a long time to go through. Now, creating an index is a time-consuming process. If you're doing for something like, if you're using a database with about 100 million lines or so, it could take a couple minutes, but it does save some time in the future when you call the new index to select things. So next we're gonna figure out how to select create multiple indices for multiple columns. So we're going to go back. We're going to create index, and we're going to use a similar naming convention. We're going to type in customers, index customers, contact name, and we're just going to include another one for our list. We're going to go here. We can choose city. So we can choose city here, Berlin. So we'll type out city, and IDX, Now it's going to be very similar to what we do. We type out on customers, parentheses, and I hear the, oops, forgot the U. Now here the order that we put into our index matters. So we're looking for contact name and city. If we wanted that in order, we would have to type out contact name, city, step out the colon. Now we've created a new index customers called customers underscore contact name underscore city.idx. And what we can do is we can do select count from customers where, let's try, where, let's see, working for contact name first, where contact name equals Andrews, and where, oops, contact name, and we're city, where city equals Berlin. City equals Berlin. So we typed in where. We're going to try to delete this. So we forgot our close quote. And we have 0 now because it gives the account, for example, let's see, oops, did a typo. We should have said Maria Anders. Instead we got Maria Andrews. Now if we type this back, we can run. Our count is 1. Now again, because, well, we use this because, well, Berlin is almost unique. There's one more, no, actually, hang on, let's check this. So Berlin, okay, yeah, so there's only one. The second one is something like Berliner Platz 43. Now because Berlin and Maria Anders are both unique contact names, again, I could just double check. So yeah, they're both unique. And they're both on the same customer ID, with the same customer name, the same address, same postal code, etc. That's why we return only a value of 1. Again, as you can imagine, if we had many sort of contact names with many different cities, or many cities of the same kind of specifications of what we're looking for, then this could be quite useful. Again, generally speaking, select count from customers where contact name is Maria Anders. It doesn't necessarily demonstrate to us that there is an index. It's just using the kind of index in the back burner. Yeah, so I hope that's that's the end of this video. Please leave a like, comment if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.